Determine the left end and right end behavior in the horizontal asymptotes, if any, or slant asymptotes, if any, for f of x equals 1 minus x squared divided by x squared plus 1. If the highest power in the numerator is less than or equal to the highest power in the denominator, f of x has a horizontal asymptote. If the highest power in the numerator is greater than the highest power in the denominator, f of x has left end and right end behaviors of positive infinity or negative infinity. If it is exactly one higher, this will happen through a slant asymptote. F of x equals 1 minus x squared divided by x squared plus 1. The highest power in the numerator is x to the 2. The highest power in the denominator is also x to the 2. The highest power in the numerator is less than or equal to the highest power in the denominator. This will have a horizontal asymptote. Since they are exactly equal in power, the horizontal asymptote is found by y equals the ratio of the coefficients of the highest power term, negative 1 over a implied positive 1. Negative 1 over positive 1 is negative 1, and f of x has a horizontal asymptote of y equals negative 1. Now to show that this is the case, the horizontal asymptote is found by y equals the limit as x approaches positive or negative infinity of the function 1 minus x squared divided by x squared plus 1. Since the function is a rational function, a polynomial over a polynomial, the limit as x approaches positive infinity and as x approaches negative infinity will be the same thing. The next thing to do is divide the numerator and denominator by the highest power of x in the denominator, that's x to the 2. Each term in the numerator will be divided by x to the 2. Each term in the denominator will be divided by x to the 2. The first term in the numerator has no x's to cancel. It will remain as a 1 over x squared. The second term, the x squareds can cancel, leaving a minus 1. In the denominator, the first term, the x squareds can cancel, leaving a positive 1. The second term has no x's to cancel, will remain as a 1 over x squared. Each term that is a constant divided by x to a positive power will go to 0 as x approaches positive infinity or negative infinity. This will result in a negative 1 over a positive 1. Negative 1 divided by positive 1 is negative 1. And f of x has a horizontal asymptote of y equals negative 1.